Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am at the Arts District here in Las Vegas, where I'll be staying at one of the newest hotels in Las Vegas. Welcome to the English Hotel. Alright guys, I am all checked in. The room key packet is super cool. Here's the actual packet. And here's the room key. Just very artsy. This hotel is located in the Arts District here in Las Vegas. So as soon as you walk into the lobby, the art is just beautiful. And what's cool about it, some of it is actually from a local Las Vegas artist. So it's really nice. The lobby is super clean. The check-in process is very easy. So now that I'm in the room, let's continue the video with the official room tour. One of my favorite things in this room is this beverage cart. I mean, this is a lot of fun. You can take it around the room. You have all the equipment that you need to make drinks. That's really cool. I want one of those at home. The room is super clean and it's very spacious. Here is the sleeping area. And then over here, it's kind of the more relaxed living room area. And the decor is super cool because it's kind of like a blend of like retro with modern. It's really nice. Here we have a mini fridge. And there is some water. I need to drink more water. Here is the safe. And then here is a gift that I received from the staff here at the English Hotel. Thank you so much. We have some water, some chips, and a breakfast bar. The English Hotel is one of the newest, if not the new, I believe it's the newest hotel here in Las Vegas. It opened last year and it is by renowned chef Todd English. This is his first hotel in the world and he opened it here in Las Vegas. Tonight, I'll be having dinner at the Pepper Club, which is the restaurant here at the English. The restaurant is by Chef Todd English, and it is highly rated here in Las Vegas, so I'm super excited to check it out. The first cocktail of the night. This is an ube cocktail. It has coconut milk, rum, ube. It looks super nice. It's very sweet, kind of how I like it. It's definitely very strong. Really, really good as the first drink of the night. And it's beautiful. This is Coco Loco, and it is rum haven, mango, puree, lime, pineapple, and coconut. Sounds really good. Let's see. It's very refreshing. It's not as sweet as I thought it was gonna be. It almost tastes like pina colada with just a little bit of mango in it. This is definitely really good. So the two drinks that I've had so far, the ube and the Coco Loco, highly recommended here at the Pepper Club restaurant. This is really good. And you know, when I order these kind of drinks, I always think that they're gonna be kind of milky. They're actually not, and they're super refreshing. So Coco Loco. When I made the reservation here at Pepper Club, I let them know that I was vegetarian. The chef prepared this dish right here. It's fully vegetarian, and so just the level of service, the presentation of this is just amazing. And then here we have this is a veggie roll. So they specialize here on sushi. Obviously being vegetarian is hard, but they still have options. Just very grateful for the chef and the staff here at the Pepper Club. So let's see now how it tastes, right? Wow. This is amazing. All right, let's do it. It's so good. I mean, the food here at this place is just incredible. You know, I just don't know how to describe it. It's just like, it's like a feast in your mouth. This is the ube honey toast. This thing is massive. If you're ever here at the Pepper Club, it just special occasion, birthday, anniversary, it's perfect. I need to figure out how I'm gonna eat these. I don't even know. Alright guys, I'm back in the room from the restaurant. My experience at Pepper Club by celebrity chef Todd English was just absolutely incredible. Just the attention to detail, the ambience, the presentation, just the flavor profile of the food that I had. I mean, everything was just amazing. This place is highly recommended. Even if you're not staying at the English Hotel, the restaurant is just about 10 blocks from Fremont Street, so it's just a couple of minutes if you're driving, or you can take a Lyft or an Uber. But if you're in the area, definitely highly recommend it. You have to check it out. You will not be disappointed. So that is it for day number 1 here at the English Hotel. I'm looking forward to day number 2. Until then, I say good night, and I will see you guys in the morning. Morning guys, wow, what a beautiful morning here in downtown Las Vegas at the English Hotel. I'm back at the Pepper Club for brunch. They actually have brunch every day from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. and this looks amazing. Let's start over here. I got a iced vanilla latte, and this is kind of the star. This is the ube French toast, and I said the star because I love French toast, so I'm super excited to try this. And this is a tofu scramble. It looks beautiful. I mean, the presentation is just incredible. The attention to detail. So I'm super excited to try this. And just the entire area around here is super nice. It's just so green. It's sunny outside. It's just shaded. It's very private from the street. Just a great location. I'm gonna try some of the coffee first. It's a little warm today, so I figure iced coffee will go well. Really good. Let's try the French toast. Let's see if it passes the test. They look so beautiful, I don't even know where to start. Let's see. So very good, very soft. Just exactly how I like them. So very soft in the inside and then kind of crusty in the outside. Come on in. Yeah. I'm full with water. Yeah. 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 Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. The service here is just amazing. And the tofu scramble, you didn't have some rice in the middle. The chef came over to explain everything that was in it. I honestly cannot remember half of it. This is amazing. I actually never thought of having rice for breakfast, but with the tofu, the veggies, I believe these are sun-dried tomatoes. It works really, really well. So it's just a really nice combination. I love this. Alright guys, I'm back in the room. After breakfast, I went to check out the arts district here around the English Hotel, and it's super cool because there are a lot of stores, restaurants, bars, just a lot of different unique places to check out. This is the point in the video where I'll give you a summary of my stay and my final thoughts about my stay here at the English Hotel. And let's start with the room, which was super clean, very spacious. The artwork and the decor across the room just absolutely beautiful. A couple of elements in the room that were very unique, the bar cart and also the mirror shower in the bathroom, the furnishing, the bed, and just the sitting area, super comfortable. The room, super nice. Another cool benefit of staying here at the English Hotel is that the hotel is part of the Tribute portfolio, which is a part of Marriott Hotel. So if you stay here and you're a member of the Marriott Rewards, you earn benefits during your stay. And obviously, if you're not a member, you can become a member and also earn benefits during your stay. The English Hotel is anchored by Pepper Club, which is an Asian fusion and sushi bar concept by celebrity Chef Todd English, and my experience was fantastic. It is highly recommended. In addition to the restaurant, there is also room service here at the English Hotel, and you can also order food and drinks from the pool area. As far as room rate here at the English Hotel, just like most places here in Las Vegas, just very dynamic, changes based on what's going on, time of year, day of the week, and so on. But based on my research, average is about $200. But remember, that can change, can be a little less, can be a little more. But also I want to highlight that there is no resort fee here at the English Hotel. A couple of additional amenities that I would like to highlight. There is complimentary coffee here in the lobby, water, tea. Parking here at the English Hotel is on site and it is also complimentary. And just to close it up, this is such a great property here in downtown Las Vegas. The service was impeccable and it is close enough to the Strip and Fremont Street, but far enough so you can relax and enjoy. And it's interesting because a lot of you, when I stay on Fremont Street, ask me, hey, how did you sleep? Was it loud in the room? And so if that is an issue for you, the English Hotel is such a great option because from here you can take an Uber or a Lyft to Fremont Street or to the Strip, enjoy your night, and then come back here, just relax and unwind with excellent food options at the Pepper Club. So based on my experience, this property is highly recommended. I give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and I will see you very soon. It's sake made by the chef here at Pepper Club. Let's see, I'm not a big fan of sake, but I'll try it just because you made it. Please. All right, cheers first. Cheers. Yeah, cheers.
Welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is very good. It's light. Here you go. Yeah. Thank you. This is so good. This is great.
I surprised myself too.
Yeah. Good job. Yeah. This is very nice.